If you are a big fan of the Grizzly River Run ride, right next door here at the Rushin River Outfitters, there's some new merch. Let me show it to you guys. It looks like they have some of the merch here on display. This is a pretty cool t-shirt right here. It looks like there's only a few remaining here of the hoodie. And a couple of the towels left. So this right here is a hoodie for kids. You can see a similar design as the one as the t-shirt had. It's being sold for $44.99. There's a crew neck here for $59.99. This one's for adults. This is the back side. Let's see if there's anything in the front. Just a small logo there in the front. Grizzly River Rafting. And then right next door is the hoodie that is really popular because, as you can see, there's only two of them left. And here is a look at the back side of the hoodie. Disney California Adventure. Oh, and this hoodie is being sold for $64.99. And it seems like there's only a small and an extra large available as of the recording of this video. The towel right here. There's a design on it. I can't find a price tag on this. If I would guess, maybe $30 to $40, somewhere around there. There's a look at the crew neck that I just showed you guys. And let's go back and take a look here at this table. All right, so back to the table. One thing I did not notice, there is a sign saying that you can customize it. This hoodie right here, you can put your name. Like this is an example right here, River Guide Roger. And this hoodie is the one that's right there that I just showed you guys. It's the one that's selling. Oh, they actually just restocked a few. And then the t-shirt right here, this is what it looks like for adults, $31.99. There's some random hair ties, $16.99. There's a giant sequoia tree that you can plant at home. California poppies. You can plant these at home. And another redwood coast tree that you can plant at home. And as you can see, here are the t-shirts they have. They're all folded, but it's this one right here. And that is pretty much it here. As you can see in the back, they're restocking right now.
But then this one has Rushin River.
$19.99 for this. Put this on your head. And they also have a hat here. UPF 50. $54.99 for that right there. Alright guys, well thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this update. Make sure to hit the like button on this video and check out the links down below so you guys can follow me on Instagram and check out all the videos for my channel members.